Let's talk about passing parameters, meaning data to a function when we call it. So what we're going to do is we're going to create code that asks for this character, Mandalorian. We'll call him Mando. We'll create code that asks for his name and age. And then we're going to call a function that tells us what Mando's name is and what Mando's age will be in 1 year. So Mando is about 37 years old now. So in 1 year, Mando will be 38. So in Colab, let's go there together. Let's create 2 input lines of code as follows. Name, I'll do this in high-speed mode. And we'll add age as well. Now let's create a function that will tell us his age in 1 year. And then what we'll do is we'll call the function. Okay. And we're going to make a mistake here, but we learn through mistakes. Okay. So first of all, we define the function as age in 1 year. Okay. And we type here name, age. Okay. Colon. It's going to automatically indent for us. Then we're going to type here age next year in 1 year equals age plus 1. Then we're going to type here print, and then we're going to say in 1 year, name will be, whoops, not 1. Name will be age next year plus years old. Okay, good. We're going to get an error, and I'll show you why soon. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of this function here by getting rid of the indentation, and we're going to call the function age in 1 year. Whoops, age in 1 year, and we'll pass the parameters here, name and age. Okay, great. Now let's run this, and we will get an error. All right, so what's his name? Mando. What's his age? 37. Whoa! It got confused. What does it say down here? Okay. You can only concatenate, meaning put in a string str, and not an integer. So there's a couple of ways that we can fix this. So one thing we can do is right here, we can define age as integer. See here? Integer. Great. And then within here, remember, we can't have any integers in here. So what we can do is we can change this back to a string here. Okay, and let's rerun the code. What is his name? He's still Mando, 37. Okay, good. So in 1 year, Mando will be 38 years old. Okay, great. So remember that whenever you're using concatenation, meaning attaching strings together or stringing stuff together, it has to be in the form of a string, not an integer. And there's so many different ways to do this as well.